Custom fields are an essential tool to gather specific customer information that goes beyond standard data points. To help you make the most out of this tool, we've made some improvements to how the fields are organized, created, and managed. Let's check the changes. A cleaner interface and new visual indicators to identify unique and searchable fields for better usability and faster navigation. Easily switch between different object views, such as contacts or opportunities, using the top dropdown. Instantly see how a custom field will appear on the contact page, helping you configure fields with more confidence. Let's learn how to create a custom field from scratch with these improvements. Begin by selecting the Create Field button in the Custom Field settings. Select the type of field this should be. Fill out the name, folder, and associated object fields as well as any other desired details. Confirm the addition by clicking the Create Custom Field button. By reducing friction and improving clarity, this update helps teams work faster, make fewer errors, and manage data more efficiently at scale, keeping your list organized, search fields usable, and information clear. We hope you enjoy it.